Yo, what's going on, guys? Jake from Dual Threat Gaming here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Moviebox on iOS. Super easy, so let's get straight into it. You want to go into Google, and in the Google search you want to put Tutu app, that's Tutu app, and search that, and the top link right there that says Tutu app and Tutu app home, that's the one you want to click on, and you'll know you're in the right spot if it says tutuapp.vip at the top. That is the correct link. And once you're here, you just want to click install now. Pretty simple. You're going to get a pop-up. You want to hit install, and then you can simply back out and you'll see that it is downloading onto your phone. So you want to give that a second to install. And now that it's installed, you want to go back to Safari, scroll down and hit trust now, and then hit allow, and it's going to bring you here. You want to click on the China television information and you want to verify it, so just hit trust. Mine are already trusted, so I'm good to go there. And then once you do that, you want to go into Tutu app and you want to just keep scrolling to the right here and you want to get into the app. And once you're in, you want to go to the search and you want to just put in movie at the top. Just search movie, and right there you're gonna see Moviebox sitting at the top, and you want to click on the little download arrow and then hit install. And then once you do that, you can back out and you'll see that it is installing onto your phone. So just give it a second and boom, there you go. You got Moviebox on your phone. That simple. And then you just go ahead and click on Moviebox, and here we are. And if there's any ads that pop up, you can simply exit out of them. But yeah, this is Moviebox for you guys right here. Pretty simple. It's got a ton of new stuff on it, all TV shows, movies. They get new movies on here really quick. As you can see, they have Avengers Infinity War already. They have Jurassic World, Fallen Kingdom already. They have a lot of great stuff on here. And yeah, so you can pretty much go in, you can stream it or you can download it. But yeah, easy as that. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.